Earlier, it was reported by a spokesperson for the IRGC that the footage will show the IRGC Aerospace's drone was carrying out its ongoing mission in the region before the entry of the U.S. warship into the Strait of Hormuz. According to the statement that we had earlier, the footage will show the drone successfully transmitting pictures of the U.S. warship before and after the time when the Americans claimed that they shot down the unmanned aerial vehicle. So Iran is now providing concrete documents dismissing Trump's claim about downing the Iranian drone. This footage is to show that the drone returned to its base safe and sound after the time when the Americans claimed that they shot down the UAS.